Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. We're making homemade chocolates. Brilliant. They look so professional and they are super easy to make. Come on then. Start by chopping up a bar of your favourite chocolate. We're using dark chocolate, but you could use white or milk if you wished, or even a combination of them all. Chopping it up nice and small. That way it will melt really quickly. Then just stick it in a bowl with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Put it in the microwave and voila! Your chocolate mixture is ready to put into the moulds. Using a paintbrush, we're just slightly oiling each mould. And then spoon in your mixture. Filling each mould about halfway. These are going to be surprise chocolates with wonderful fillings inside. So what we're going to do next is use the paintbrush to just paint the chocolate up the sides of each mould. And freeze for a couple of hours until set. Now let's add our fillings. We're adding in some mini marshmallows to one, pistachios to another, some coconut, some jam, and some sprinkles. And just keep going with any variety of fillings you like. And once those are all done, we can coat it with the remainder of the chocolate. You could be even more creative and use a two-toned chocolate, so white on one side and dark on the other. Fillings are all covered, so we're going to freeze that again for another couple of hours, and they are ready to take out of the mould. Chocolates galore. Now let's sprinkle with some cocoa powder for a really professional finish. Wow, those look fantastic! Let's cut into one. And look at the jam oozing out of the inside. Sprinkles! My favourite. So, there you have it. Handmade chocolates. So easy. Give it a go.